Number 5. Thinkware F770. 2.19 MP Sony Exmor CMOS sensor with 140-degree viewing angle. Super night vision and time-lapse recording. 3-axis accelerometer G sensor. Full HD 1080p rear view camera. Super night vision and time-lapse recording. Please check the description for best price. Number 4. Rexing V1. Discreet design and high temperature resistance. 170-degree ultra-wide angle lens and WDR. Full HD video with Sony Exmor IMX323. G sensor detects a collision, the current video will be locked. With loop recording, new recordings will automatically overwrite oldest recordings. Please check the description for best price. Number 3. Garmin. Extremely small GPS-enabled dash cam. High-quality 3.7 megapixel camera with 1440p video capture. Works even in low-light conditions. Voice control allows you to start/stop recording. Small and inconspicuous when mounted on windshield. Please check the description for best price. Number 2. Black Box Mobius Pro. Updated 820 mAh battery. Ultra clear 30 fps at 1080p and 60 fps at 720p. 1080p Full HD video and audio recording. Motion detection capable. The video format is .mov with H.264 compression codec. Please check the description for best price. Number 1. Vantru N2 Pro. Dual lens 1080p car camera for Uber Lyft taxi. Infrared night vision with Sony sensor. 24 hours parking mode and auto LCD off. Looping recording and G sensor and optional GPS. Ideal for most climates, -4 degrees to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Please check the description for best price.